about solar until I came to this school and discovered that we are on solar power, that we had no connection with the PHCN, so we are on renewable energy. I discovered that we're on 247 city power supply, that even in our various lodges, when we don't have light, we all come here to charge our electrical and electronic gadgets. I went home too. Recently, a building across or opposite our own building, my mom said something like, this building, they're always having lights and we don't. Okay, I discovered that they're also making use of solar. And she said, when will you come and install one in our home? So I promised her I'm going to install one in our home because it's economical, and in fact, with it brings comfort to the home.
Currently here in our school, we have 93 waste bins where we keep waste in different sections. We have where we keep the plastic, the metals, the nylon, and the waste food. Now at home, I would say we keep waste bins safe where it will be environmentally friendly. I will also say at home, we also clean the compound, come out doing clean up, volunteer to do clean up, clean the gutters, make everywhere to be clean.
I came to this school and discovered that tree planting is a culture, and I discovered the purpose and for which tree planting started. That is as a result of trying to curtail the global warming and the destruction coming to this planet. So I went home, planted some trees, and tried to encourage others and told them the importance of planting trees, and also encouraged through my dad to talk to the kinsmen to stop tree cutting, you understand, so that we can help maintain the environment.
I am a Green Club member and I've been in the club for like 2 years now. Since I came to this institution, I've been able to grab a lot of knowledge about the environment. We have done several activities which include so many roundtable discussions, the World Environmental Day, which on it so many speakers were invited to talk about the environment. It was a wonderful experience and I'm so happy to be part of it. We have also done things like tree planting, which is something I've not been doing before. So I have the knowledge now how to plant trees and also understand the importance of doing those things. The environment itself, keeping the Mother Earth clean, living the green club life, living the green life and practicing green culture.
Being a member of this club, Green Tibet Club, I can assure you that I have learned a lot of things. I have been practicing and assimilating into the culture of keeping our environment clean. Whatever things I make use of, whether it's such as water or plastic bag, I don't throw them away anyhow. Even if there is no dustbin around that place, I put it right inside my bag. When I find a place good, I will deposit it in a dumping place or in a this thing. So I'm very, very happy for this our club, because it have taught me a lot of things, both in management of water, in management of waste, in both in energy. Biogas is one of the most significant and important projects in practicing green culture. And looking at the system we have already, it produces up to 10 kg of gas every day. So it's a very, very good advantage to us, since it's less harmful to the environment, more efficient and more economical at the same time. And one of the benefits of this system also is that the slurry, the residue that is not used in this system, can also be used as a fertilizer, as a manure to our plants, to planting of trees. So it's very, very good system, and I encourage both government and private institutions, even homes, to adapt to this system.